Hello students, let us see the last topic from module 3, Java's built-in exception. So Java Pro has got some standard packages. Inside the standard package java.lang, Java defines several type of the exception classes. A few have been used by the preceding examples like arithmetic exception, array index, out of bound exception, null pointer exception, right, illegal access exception, and so on. We have used earlier in the previous examples. You just go through. It must be there, the contents must be there in your notebook. I told you to note down the programs as well, right? Refer to the previous programs, you will come to know. The most general of those exceptions are subclasses of the standard type, that is runtime exception. Most of them are the subclasses of the standard type runtime exception. Okay, as previously explained, these exceptions need not to be include any methods throws list. In the language of Java, these are all called unchecked exceptions because the compiler does not check to see if a method handles or throws these exceptions. Okay, the unchecked exceptions defined in java.lang are listed below. That's what we will be discussing. Okay, let us see what are those. The table 10.2, we have two different tables to be discussed, 10.1 and 10.2. List those exceptions defined by java.lang that must be included in the methods throw list. Okay, throws list, what we have discussed earlier, the methods throws list must include some of the built-in type of the exception. If a method throws some kind of exception, then it should be included as a list along with the keyword throws. Refer my previous video for that. These are all called as the checked exception, defined exceptions. Okay, so under java.lang library there are various kinds or categories of the exception. That is what we will be discussing now. Let me change the view. Okay, as you can see, table 10.1, Java's unchecked runtime exceptions under subclass of java.lang. Okay, these are all listed over here. For your reference, I will be highlighting it. Hope it is visible. If not visible, refer to the page number 250 251 from PDF and 218 from the textbook. Okay, let me highlight it. Fine. So types are listed here, as you can see. Arithmetic exception, array index out of, as I said earlier. Okay, array store exception, illegal access exception, and so on. Okay, null pointer exception and all. Just to go through the type of these are all the built-in classes, and its meaning or usage is explained here in the tabular format. Just refer to the table 10.1 of page number 218. Very small topic. Okay, theory concept you can easily study and write on your own word, because some of the exception you know, no need to remember all the types of exception what is listed, at least 5 out of them. So around 10 to 15 different categories are listed here. At least 5 you have to study and you have to write its usage, because some of them we have already discussed it, like arithmetic and all. You must be knowing why it is used. See, arithmetic exception is used for what purpose? To check the arithmetic errors like divide by 0 or so on, right? Array index out of bound exception is used to check whether the index value is available. Recall the previous videos, recall from the previous videos. Okay, what we considered array with single element, but we tried to access the 42nd C of 42 we tried to access, which is illegal, right? So refer to the table, you will come to know the explanation about them. You can read from this table, that is table 10.1. Okay, and Java's checked exception, which are defined under same category java.lang package, they are also mentioned over here. Class not found exception. Suppose you try to refer to some of the class modules which are not existed in the hierarchy, then this type of exception will be thrown. Okay, illegal access exception once again, then interrupted exception, clone not supported exception and all, so which does not support for copy and all. So such type of exceptions, hardly 5 to 6 different types are there, as you can see. 7 different types of exception which are called as Java's checked exception under java.lang. The other one category it was named as Java's unchecked exception, and this one is Java second table 10.2, which refers to Java's checked exception. At least 5 from each table you should remember. Okay, what is unchecked exception and what is checked exception? At least 5 from the category you should try to learn. Learn its explanation as well. It is there at page number 218 from the textbook. Okay, fine. And the other concepts are not that important, so creating your own exception subclasses and all. Okay, so this ends your module 3. Please concentrate carefully. This ends module 3. So all the topics from module 3 I have covered. So entire module 1 and module 2 some parts portion were completed during so before lockdown period only, in the class in the month of February and March. So module 2 remaining part I have covered in the videos. So online classes I have conducted with the help of the platforms like WhatsApp and YouTube. Refer to my WhatsApp videos earlier in the month of March. I have posted the videos in the WhatsApp groups only. Then later we started with YouTube. Now these days we are uploading all the videos on the YouTube platform. So module 3 remaining portion I have uploaded the videos, all the topics I have covered, and the videos are available. Video links are available in your WhatsApp group, and videos description is available. Contents are available on our official YouTube channel. Okay, watch the videos repeatedly. If you have any doubt or difficulty, feel free to ask. So let us continue our discussion in the next session. I will begin with the next module, 4th module. Okay, thank you for watching.